So welcome to this video, and I'm going to show you how to double your lash speed with this really quick, simple isolation hack. So first golden rule, make sure you always lash map. I haven't got a lash map on this mannequin head, but lash mapping saves you so much time because you haven't got to use your brain to think about what length you're going to be putting on. It's already there. Okay, so how this works is that I've just placed an eyelash extension onto this natural lash and I'm holding the isolation. Now, most of you will just wait for that isolation and do nothing. Whereas what I want you to do is with this tweezer, go onto this eye and start having a little fish while this isolation is just waiting for that lash to cure. Go fishing with one tweezer and then you can go straight in and go, oh, okay, there we go. And then grab your other extension. And now whilst that one is curing, I can actually come over here and start having a little look at what's going on. So now I know there was one down here somewhere. I'm going straight in, grabbing my lash, in my adhesive, onto here, place it on, hold. I'm going fishing again. What am I going to go? Oh, I've got one there. So now I'm ready to go. So see how I'm continuously working, even though I've got my isolation on. Now, if you're a more experienced lash artist, you're going to have a quicker curing glue, so you'll be able to release so much quicker. But let's say you wanted to stay on this eye, you could do. So you don't have to go back and forth. Sometimes I'll do 5 lashes on one eye, 5 lashes on the other. So I now know there's one there because I went fishing, as I call it. Place on. I'm starting to visually have a little look down here now to see what we've got going on. There's quite a good one there. So I can now come away. I know I'm going into that area because I saw it. On. I might be going over to the other eye in a minute. So I'm now placing that on. I'm just starting to have a little look over on the left eye. There's a little gap there I can see. So visually, I might not be able to get my hand and my tweezer over there, but I can see there's one down here. Okay, if you've got a lot of lashes on, you might not be able to see, but most of the time you absolutely can. So isolation's on. Let's go fishing just here while that isolation's on. I can see one on the lower layer I'm going to go to. And there we go. So it's about working backwards or forwards across the eyes, or when you're just waiting for that isolation. So that one's waiting. Let me go over here, have a little look. A little one down here, or that one I quite like, this one. So now I can dive in, grab my extension, and it means that I'm super speedy. I'm not wasting any time in between waiting for that isolation to stay on while that lash cures. So give that one a go, see how you get on. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. Follow this channel and also check out my social media over on the other platforms at Eyelash Excellence. And don't forget we have great products as well over on the website, all developed and sourced by me, eyelashexcellence.com.